Click on the link Entities. Click on the corresponding organization. Click on the link Place an Order. Select the account. Click on the link Select Account. Click on Categories. Click on Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Say. Click on Offers in Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. Click on Dynamics 365 Business Central Team Member $8 per month per user order. Click on Order. Click on Item Price with Discount in dollar quantity item subtotal in Dynamics 365 Business Central Team Member flat rate of $8.00 per month per item $8.00 D365 for Business External Accountant flat rate of $0.00 per month per item $0.00. Check and pick the correct quantity amount. Click on the link Continue. Select the account. Fill and check all business contact information. Fill and check all technical contact information. Click on the link Continue. Enter the desired or existing domain prefix. Enter username. Enter company name. Enter culture. Enter city. Enter first name. Enter postal code. Enter address line 1. Enter state. Enter agreement email. Enter agreement first name. Enter agreement last name. Enter region. Enter country. Enter language. Enter last name. Enter customer ID if provided. Click on Continue. You will get a summary of your order. Click on the link Submit for approval. Click on I agree. Click on the button, Submit.